Morning students, I am Narazu, Maths faculty in Target School at Tadapatri. In previous videos, we discussing about playing with numbers. This chapter is included in number theory. Okay, in first part 1 what we discussed, what is factor of multiples and natural numbers are divided two ways, prime numbers, composite numbers and so on. Right? In part 2 we discussing about how to find the HCF and LCM of given two numbers. Different types also there and different methods also we discussed there only. But in this video is part 3 part we discussing about LCM of two or more numbers. What is the abbreviation of LCM? Yes, LCM. What is the abbreviation of the students all of you? Least common multiple. Least common multiple. Least common multiple. This is the abbreviation of LCM. Yes, what is the definition? How to find the LCM of given two or more numbers? Yes, observe the definition. Least common multiple of given two or more number is the smallest number of multiples of given each numbers. Once again observe students, least common multiple of two or more numbers is the smallest number of multiple of each given numbers. That is the definition. Okay. To determine LCM by three methods. One is by writing the multiples of given numbers. That is the first method. Next, second one, by prime factorization method. And third one, by division method. Observe students, I repeat it. LCM can be determined by three methods. One is by writing the multiples of given numbers. Second one, by prime factorization method. Third one, by division method. Okay, let us discuss about first method, by writing the multiples of given numbers. By taking two examples, I explained clearly. So all of you watch the video students and learn carefully how to apply the first method to finding LCM. Right, first one, by writing the multiples of given numbers. Yes, let us take one example. Find the LCM of 2, 3. Find the LCM of 2, 3 by using writing the multiples of given numbers method. Right, first one, we are taken multiples of 2. Solution, observe, multiples of 2 equal to, so 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and so on. And go for second one, multiples of 3 equal to, right, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18 and so on. Okay students, then we are taking next common multiples. common multiples. Right. Here, which are common multiples? Observe 6 and also 6. Next 12, 12, 18, 18 and so on. Okay. Right. Common multiples equal to 6, 12, 18 and so on. Then in this common multiples, which is the least number here? 6 is the least number. Isn't it? So LCM equal to 6. LCM equal to 6. This is the way of approaching by using first method to finding a LCM. Okay, if it is 2 numbers, okay. If it is 3 numbers, observe students allow. Okay, say I use the question example 2. Find the LCM of 2, 4, 5. Find the LCM of 2, 4, 5. Okay. Same procedure applied here also. First we have taken multiples of 2 equal to 2, 4, 6 and so on. Next, multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 equal to 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. Next, multiples of 5. Multiples of 5 equal to 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20 and so on. Then in that observe common multiples. Which are the common multiples? Observe here 20, here also 20, here also 20 is there. 20. Next 40, what else may be? Next common multiples of 20. And also 40 also there. Next 60 and so on. In that, which is the least number? 20. So LCM of these three numbers equal to 20. So if it is given, whatever may be either 2 or 3 numbers, so approaching solution is same. Okay students? Yes, I will give you 2 questions. So practice in your house only. Okay, by using first method. Right. So, what are the questions? Question number 1. Find the LCM of 5, 6. And second one, find the LCM of 8, 9, 12. 8, 9, 12. Yes, go for second method, that is prime factorization method. Yes, by taking 2 example, example 1 and example 2. Find the LCM of 15 and 24 by using prime factorization method. Okay students, first of all, 2 numbers, observe here 15 and 24. These 2 numbers are composite number, can be expressed in product of prime numbers. Product of prime numbers. So here 15 equal to 3 5s are 50, 3 5s are 15. So 3 in one time, so 3 power 1 and also 5 power 1. Next 24. 24 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. So how many times of 2 here? 3 times. That is 2 cube into 3 power 1. Okay. Then we finding LCM students. Observe here carefully. So in that 3 only, it is a common multiple. So first of all, observe 2 cube is there. There is no common multiples. To finding the LCM, remaining numbers were taken. So 2, 3 times is there, 2 cube. Here 3 power 1, 3 power 1. Here common multiples we are taken only one time only. But here power is same. So 3 power 1. Next 5 power 1. So 3 power 1, 5 power 1. 1 means we are taken just remove it, index value is 1. Okay, observe students here. 2 cube value 8 is there. So 5 3 is 15, 15 8 is 120. 120 is the LCM of given 2 numbers. This is the way of approachment. And go for third one. Next example, Find the LCM of 64, 125, 100. Three numbers are given here. It is yes. Therefore, same procedure. 64 can be expressed as a product of primes. So here 64 means 2 power 6. 2 power 6. Next 125. 125 means 5 cube. 5 cube. Next 100. 100 equal to 2 square into 5 square. 2 square value 4, 5 square value 25. 25 4 ja 100 students. Right. Next one. Take the LCM. So first of all, here least number is 2, and also observe here 2 power 6 is there, here 2 square is there. Which is the highest power of 2? We are taken first of all. 2 power 6, 2 square. Which is the highest power? Both of them. 2 power 6 is the highest power. So 2 power 6 taken. And remember, don't take 2 square value. Right, in that 5 cube and also 5 square. Both are same base but index is different. Which is the highest power? 5 cube is the highest power. So 5 cube take. 5 cube. Okay, right. Next one. 2 power 6 value is 64. Next 5 cube value is 125. 125 into 64, nothing but 8000. Nothing but 8000. This is the way of process if it is given 3 numbers. Okay, students. Yes, I will give you 2 questions. Do homework. Do homework, all of you. First one. Find the LCM of 9, 18 by using prime factorization method. Next, second problem. Find the LCM of 24, 50 and 75 by using prime factorization method. Okay, students, I hope all are understood this method. Next, third method, students, by division method. By division method. Yes, I take one example and explain it. You clearly understood here. Okay, students, observe first one. Example. One example. Find the LCM of 30, 60, 90. By using division method. By using division method. Okay, students. Okay, 30, 60, 90. Use the symbol like this. Yes, first of all, take the 2 is the least prime number. You know very well. Okay, 215 is 30, 230 is 60, 245 is 90. And next 3. 3 5 is 15. 3 10 is 30, 3 15 is 45. Yes, 5 taken. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15. So observe here, all are prime numbers. Okay, let us stop the procedure. Right, LCM equal to take down these values. 2 into 3 into 5 into 1. 1 you should take or not, no problem. As to 2 into 3. So here 3 2 is 6, 6 5 is 30, 33 is 90, 92 is 180, 92 is 180. This is the LCM of given 3 numbers. Okay, students, understood all of you? Right, I gave you one homework problem. Right, find the LCM of 212, 246, 214 by using division method. By using division method. Yes. Observe the heading, students, all of you. We find LCM by followed by 3 methods. We know very well. Yes. If it is asked different type of questions, here it is. Yes. Observe this. How to ask the questions different type. Information of various types of problems. First type 1. How to ask the question? Observe. Find the least number which is exactly divisible by A, B and C. Okay? Yes. Here, how this type of asking the problems, So what is the solution means? Required number equal to. We find the least number. Is it or not? So required number equal to LCM of three numbers. So LCM of A, B, C. LCM of A, B and C. Next. Yes, we take one example. Find the least number which is exactly divisible by 48, 72 and also 80. So required number. So required number equal to LCM of A, B, C. Three numbers only. First we find LCM. So take the three numbers 48, 72 and also 80. Yes, observe here. 2 is the least prime number. 2 24s, 2 36s, 2 40s. Next one. 2 12, 2 18, 2 20. And next 2 6s, 2 9s, 2 10s. Again we have taken 2 3s, 9 as it is same, 2 5s are 10. Next 3 taken students all of you. Like this I expressed here. Here 3 9 5. Okay, next 3 taken, 3 1 is 3, 3 3s are 9, 5 as it is same. So observe here. 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 5. All are prime numbers. Therefore, LCM equal to, right, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 here 4 times. Next, into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay, students, observe here. 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45, 45 2s are 90, 92s are 180, 182s are 360, 362s are 720. 720. Therefore, required number equal to 720. Okay, students, understood? So 720 is the exactly divisible by 48, 72 and also 80. Right. Go for type 2. If it is not appear, I will my voice of the students all of you. Find the least number which when divided by x, y and z leaves the remainder a, b, c respectively. Okay, students? Yes, how to find the least number? So, therefore, here we have taken, first of all, what about the first step? Here 3 numbers given and also remainders also given. So, first we have taken, first number is x, first remainder is a. So, x minus a, find, and also y minus b also find out. Next, z minus c. These 3 numbers are equal or not? Check it first. If it is equal, apply this method, otherwise don't apply. If x minus a, y minus c, z minus c, these 3 values are equal. So, the 3 value will be considered R for remainder. So, aside, same. Next, therefore, required number equal to, right, LCM of 3 numbers. Which are the numbers here? X, y, z. LCM of x, y, z minus remainder. That is the solution of given. How asking the question like that? Yes, I take one example like this. Observe. Find the least number which when divided by 36, 48 and 64 leaves the remainders 25, 37 and 53 respectively. Okay, students. Solution given first of all. How to approach the solution? First of all, we find the x minus a number along with first remainder. So here, first number is 36, first remainder is 25. So we find 36 minus 25. So 36 minus 25. How much this value? 36 minus 25 value becomes 11. Next, 48 minus 37. 48 minus 37. Also value is 11. Let's go for third one. 64 minus 53 is also 11. Okay. These three numbers are equal or not? Right. Therefore, 36 minus 25 equal to 48 minus 37 equal to, and 64 minus 53 equal to 11. Okay. Here remainder is 11. Remainder is 11 students. Then we find the LCM of 36, 48 and also 64. So 36, 48, 64. Right. Take 2 as a least prime number. 2 18s, 2 24s, 2 32s. Next. 2 9s 18, 2 12s, 2 16s. Next one, 9 as the same taken, 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16. Next one, here 2 taken, 9 as the same. Next, 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8. Next, 2 taken again, 9, 3, 2 2 are 4. Next, 3 taken. 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is the 2. Therefore, LCM equal to, okay, how many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 3, 2, next 2. 3 into 2. So then that implies LCM. 2 3 is 6, 6 3 is 18, 18 2 is 36, 72, 144, 144, and again 288, 288 into 2. 2 8 is 16, 2 8 is 16, 7, 2 2 is 4, 5, 576. 576 is the LCM of given numbers. Then we find required number. Therefore, required number equal to. So LCM of these three numbers. How much LCM here? 576. 576 minus next. What is the remainder? Here remainder is 11. So 576 minus 11. So finally 6 minus 1, 5, 7 minus 1, 6, 5. 565 is the solution of given this type of model problem. Yes, observe type 3 problem, students. Find the least number which when divided by ABC leaves the same remainder R in each case. Right, students, observe how to apply the solution. Therefore, required number or required least number equal to LCM of three numbers plus remainder. Okay, I take one example. So, find the least number which when divided by four numbers 9, 12, 16 and 30 leaving the same remainder 3. So, let me consider here R equal to 3. The same remainder. Next, find the LCM of four numbers 9, 12, 16 and also 30. Okay, here observe 9 has the same taken. 2 6 are 12, 2 8 is 16, 2 15 is 30. 2 15 is 30. Next one. Right. 9 has the same taken. 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 15 is 2 15 has the same taken. 2 9s, 3s, 2 2s is 4. Next 15 has the same. Next one. 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1 is 3. 2 has the same. 3 5s are 15. So all are prime numbers. Therefore, LCM equal to 2. How many times? 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. Next 3 2 times. 3 into 3. Next 2 into 5. Which implies 5 2s are 10. 10 3s are 30. 33s are 90. 92s are 180. 182s are 360. 362s are 720. 720 is the LCM of given numbers. Okay, students. Then we find least number. Therefore, required number. Required number equal. What is the LCM of these three numbers? It becomes 720. So 720 plus remainder. Remainder equal to 3. 720 plus 3 becomes 723. These are the types. Okay. Okay. Next topic is, students, relation between the HCF and LCM. Okay, let us take one example. Yes, I take two numbers 12 and 15. 12 and 15. Yes, first I find HCF. HCF equal. Okay, 12 equal to 2 square into 3. 2 square into 3. Next 15 means 3 5 are 15. HCF equal to. HCF equal to. So which is the common multiple to 3 only. So 3 power 1 nothing but 3. HCF equal to 3. Next LCM equal to. LCM 2 square. 3 common but 1 time is there. We can take 1 time and also 5. So 5 3 is 15. 15 4 is 16. 15 4 is 16. Okay, students. I take HCF into LCM. HCF into LCM equal to. HCF value is 3. LCM value is 60. So 3 6 is 180. Next, product of numbers. Product of numbers equal to. Which are the numbers I taken here? 12 and 15. So 12 into 15. 15 2 is 30. 51 is 15 plus 3, 180. Subtract the numbers here. Both numbers are equal. So what we conclude that about this example, product of two numbers or product of numbers simply, product of numbers equal to HCF into LCM, product of HCF and LCM. So HCF into LCM. This is the relation among HCF and LCM along with given the numbers. What is the numbers of the students here? Product of two numbers only here taken. Product of two numbers equal to HCF into LCM. If three numbers, it is different way of relation is there. Yes. Already we framing a relation. Product of two numbers equal to HCF and LCM. Yes, observe the related problems. Yes, example 1, example 2 and also example 3. First we discussed about example 1 problem. HCF and LCM of two numbers are 25 and 1125. If one of the number is 125, then find the other. Yes, we do the product of numbers. Product of numbers means first number and second number. Okay, directly we have taken second number equal to HCF into LCM. HCF into LCM by first number. So cross multiplication. So first number into second number equal to HCF into LCM like this. Then that implies what is the HCF? Observe HCF value is 25. LCM value is 1125. So 25 into 1125 by first number is, which is the first number? 125. 125. Okay, students. Observe here. 25 ones, 25 threes. Sorry, 25 fives, 125. Next one. 5 2s are 10. And also 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. So 225 is the second number of given problem. And comes to second problem. Product of two numbers is 2160 and the HCF is 12. Find the LCM. Before that, we observe that relation. That relation we write directly formula. LCM equal to product of numbers by HCF. Product of numbers by HCF. So observe here, product of numbers, which is product of numbers 2160 by HCF value 12. Yes, cancellation observe directly. 12 1 is 12, 12 9 is remaining, 12 6 is 72, 12 7 is 84. So 12 8 is 96 directly 10. 12 8 is 96. Okay. So the LCM is 180. LCM is 180. This is the second one. And go for third. LCM and HCF two numbers is 60, 3. Find the product of numbers. Apply direct formula. Product of numbers. Product of numbers equal to HCF into LCM. So then that implies, what about HCF 60? Sorry, LCM is 60, HCF is 3. That is 60 into 3, it becomes 180. Observe these problems. The two numbers HCF and LCM comparison. LCM is the greatest value when compared to HCF. Okay, students. Right. Next concept, friends. HCF and LCM of fractions. So if it is given fraction numbers, how to find the HCF and LCM? Okay, observe here. HCF equal to HCF of numerator. HCF of numerator. We are not taking. HCF of numerator by LCM of denominator. LCM of denominator. Next, how to find the LCM? LCM equal to LCM of numerator by LCM of numerator by HCF of denominator. HCF of denominator. This is the formula for if it is given fractions, HCF and LCM. Right. Let us take one example. Find the HCF and LCM of 2 by 3, 8 by 9, 32 by 81 and 10 by 27. Yes, left side where find out the HCF. Right. First, what is the formula? HCF of numerator by LCM of denominator. Okay. HCF of numerator values 2, 8, 32 and also 10. HCF of 2, 8, 32 and also 10 is, observe, do refer to side. 2 equal to 2 power 1, 8 equal to 2 cube. Next, 32 means 2 power 5 and also 10 means 2 power 1 into 5 power 1. Which is the common multiple here? 2 is the common multiple. We have taken least index. So 2 is the HCF of 2, 8, 32 and also 10. Next, LCM. LCM of denominator. LCM of denominator. Which is the denominator values? That is 3, 9, 81, 27 equal to. Yes, we find the LCM value. So 3 equal to 3 power 1 and 9 equal to 3 square. Next, 81 equal to 81, 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, 3 power 4 and 27 equal to 3 cube. So here 3, which is the highest power? Least power is represented HCF, highest power is represented LCM. So 3 power 1, 3 square, 3 power 4 and 3 cube. Nothing but 3 power 4 is the LCM. So 3 power 4 value becomes 81. Therefore, HCF equal to HCF of numerator by LCM of denominator. So that it becomes numerator value is 2 and denominator value is 81. 2 by 81 is the HCF of given fractions. Right, students? Go for LCM. Next, what is the LCM formula? LCM of numerator by HCF of denominator. LCM of numerator. So LCM of numerator value is 2, 8, 32 and also 10. So observe here. 2 equal to Okay. 2 equal to 2 power 1, 8 equal to 2 cube, and also 32 equal to 2 power 5, so 10 equal to 2 into 5. So two common factors are there. Highest power is 2 power 5. So 2 power 5 into 5. 2 power 5 value 32. 32 into 5. So 5 2 is 10. 5 3 is 15. 160 is the LCM of numerator terms. Next, HCF. HCF of 3, 9, 81 and also 27. All are 3 multiple is there. Least is 3. So HCF of 3, 9, 81, 27 equal to 3. Therefore, LCM of these fractions equal to LCM of numerator, that is 160. HCF of denominator nothing but 3. 160 by 3 is the solution of given fractions. This is the way of approachment to finding the LCM and HCF of given fraction, students. Okay, next model, students. Here observe, product of n numbers equal to HCF for each pair whole power n minus 1 into LCM of n numbers. Highlight this formula. It is very useful to comparative side. And I take one example. There are 4 numbers. So the HCF of each pair is 3 and the LCM of all the 4 numbers is 126. What is the product of 4 numbers? Yes, observe the solution. Solution given. How many numbers are there here? 4. Let me take an n equal to 4. N equal to 4. And HCF of each pair is 3 and LCM of 4 numbers equal to 126. Therefore, apply direct formula. Therefore, product of 4 numbers equal to HCF for each pair equal to 3. So 3 power n minus 1, n nothing but 4. 3 power 4 minus 1 into LCM of n numbers. LCM of 4 numbers equal to 126. So then that implies 4 minus 1 means 3 cube into 126. 3 cube value 27. 27 into 126. So this product value observe aside. 126 into 27. 7 6 is 42. 7 2 is 14 and also 18. 7 1 is 7 plus 1 8. Into 2 6 are 12, 2 2 is 4 and also 5, 2 1 is 2. So here 2, 10, 9 plus 5, 14, 3. 3402. 3402 is the solution. So most probably, students, all of you, different type of models we discussed, practice thoroughly. Okay, students, of completion of this chapter, I conduct examination.